Rockland County, New Jersey, Connecticut, Westchester. This summer, join the team at Groove FM Radio and DJ Woods as they present an international experience you can't miss. Nyack, New York. This and every Thursday night. It's Copa Afro Thursdays. Copa Afro Thursdays, a night filled with some of the sexiest people in town at Size Restaurant and Lounge, 37 Route 59, Nyack, New York. The good vibes are back this Thursday night, where everyone is absolutely in free. When you text the word free to 917-284-8453.
Can you blow my mind?
Music by DJ Wood. The biggest international party on Thursday night is at Size Restaurant and Lounge. Doors open at 7 p.m. till 1 a.m. with food and drink specials all night. Casual attire required. For info, VIP, or to celebrate your birthday with us, call or text at 917-284-8453 or log on to RadioGrooveFM.com.